Good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to talk over a term energy. The term energy is related to physics. It shows the ability. So, energy is defined the total capacity of doing work or ability to do work is called energy. It is denoted by a letter E and its SI unit is joule, which name given on the name of greatest scientist James Prescott Joule. 1 joule of energy is equal to when 1 Newton force is applied on a body and its movement takes 1 meter. When the body takes 1 meter by applying 1 Newton force on it, then it is equal to 1 joule energy. Energy is required to do our all activities. What we do from morning to evening, energy is required there. Without energy we cannot do anything. So energy is required to do our life activities. That energy is obtained from the food what we eat. The food what we eat contain loads of different kinds of nutrients and collectively we get in form of energy. So all the living body gets energy from the food what they eat, and the non-living body also, the energy what they get come from their fuel, like bike, car, truck, train, aeroplane. A different kinds of food, different kinds of fuels are used there. That fuel gives them energy to run or do some other activities. So on the base of the different kinds of the fuel or food, energy is divided into two forms: renewable and non-renewable forms of energy and their sources. First we talk about the renewable forms of energy. Renewable forms of energies are those energies which are continuously renewed automatically in nature, like wind energy. Wind is available in tremendous amount around us, and that energy is used to run the wind fan or turbine to produce electricity. Another renewable forms of energy is solar energy. It is also renewable forms of energy. It never be sorted out. It is available in tremendous amount, large amount. We never feel the lack of this kind of energy. During the daytime we get loads of the solar energy, which are the main sources of from the sun. Sun release this energy in form of sunlight, and we trap the sunlight in solar cell or solar plate, and that energy what we have stored in solar cell or plate can be used for many different purposes, like cook the food, burn the light, run the motor, and some other purposes like this. Then geothermal energy, tidal energy, hydropower energy, at where electricity is produced. Here fast running water or fast falling water is used to run the turbine and electricity is produced. That electricity are transferred to one place to other places with the help of conductor. So these types of energy are called the renewable forms of energy or renewable sources of energy. These sources like wind, water, wood, solar energy, etc. are renewed automatically in nature. We need not to do anything or to apply any technique to get it renewed, and it is also available in large amount around us. But we are not frequently having habit to use it because technology is not so developed to use these kinds of energy in our different purposes. On the other hand, second form of energy or its sources are non-renewable forms of energy, which are very popular among us for last many years, like coal, petroleum product, CNG or natural gas, LPG. These are non-renewable forms of energy. Once they are used, it cannot be renewed, and its stock are limited under the ground. We are using it very rapidly, and once it is used, it never be get back. Like coal. Coal is a very popular forms of energy, and it is used almost at everywhere in many different purposes like cooking food, getting heat, producing steam to run turbine and produce electricity. In thermal power plant, coal is the main fuel which is used to produce electricity. In coalfield areas, coal is used to cook food and also some other purposes. Petroleum product like petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, lubricant oil, machine oils and etc. Petroleum products are also limited in amount. I mean crude oil is also limited in amount, and petroleum product like the petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, some other things like some other product like this that can be obtained from the crude oil, and crude oil is limited in stock underground the earth. So if you are using it rapidly, it means we are getting shortage from the stock very rapidly, and these are not renewed in nature automatically. So these two kinds of energies are available in our surrounding, and the renewable forms of energy are not frequently used by us, but non-renewable forms of energy are frequently used by us in many different purposes. And now it is the alarming time. It is the time for take precaution, because non-renewable forms of energy are limited in stock, and our all life activity are based on it. Suppose electricity. Electricity is also produced by hydropower plant, where running water or fast falling water is used to run the turbine to produce the electricity. But these are not frequently used everywhere, because it needed the great storage of water, or that water should be at higher places, kept at higher places. So it is not easily done, not frequently done. But to produce the electricity in thermal power plant, coal is used, and coal is limited in stock. We know it very well. Without electricity, our life cannot survive on this earth easily and frequently. Our progress will be completely come down if there is a shortage of coal or petroleum product. So it is our alarming time. It is our time to take precaution to use the non-renewable forms of energy frequently. Scientists all over the world are trying their best applying their best efforts to find the alternative sources of energy like the solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy in place of non-renewable forms of energy like petrol, diesel, kerosene oil. Kerosene oil is also limited in stock because it comes from the petroleum product, crude oil, and it is also used as a fuel in aeroplane. So we should take precaution to use these non-renewable forms of energy, and I think to understand the energy, its uses, its kind, can be obtained from this video. And if you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and comment me also if you want to know something more on some other topics. Send me in details. I shall try my best to add all those points selected by you in details in my next video. And one more information I want to share with you. Within a few days I want to start the online class, a student for a standard 7, 8, 9, 10th, especially for science. I mean physics, chemistry and biology. So if and that classes will completely free, no any charges has to pay by the students. I want to develop the student if they are mostly residing at home due to the coronavirus and lockdown, so they may be benefited. That is why I want to start the online classes that will be completely free of cost. So please send me your mobile number so that it become very easy for me to send the link. Thank you.